Bulls just had their hopes for a Bitcoin ETF dashed again by the SEC. And with the cryptocurrency now dropping close to 6,000, could this be the nail in the coffin for Bitcoin? Bob Pisani's breaking it down from the New York Stock Exchange. Bob.
Hello there, Scotty. Another painful day for Bitcoin, dropping 10% or nearly $10 billion in the last 24 hours. Ouch again. The problem here is we're no closer to a Bitcoin ETF, despite a novel approach to getting around the issue that bothers the SEC. Overnight, the SEC said they were delaying a decision on the SolidX Bitcoin ETF, which is sponsored by SolidX Management with marketing assistance from Van Eck Securities. Now, a decision was been put off until September 30th, but don't kid yourself. The SEC is likely not considering anything other than a lengthy brief on why they will deny the ETF at that time, just as they denied the Winklevoss Bitcoin ETF last month. The reason they are likely to deny it, it just doesn't fully address the issues that worry the SEC about Bitcoin. They denied the Winklevoss application on the grounds that most Bitcoin trading occurs outside the United States on unregulated exchanges that are subject to fraud and manipulation. That's a big barrier to overcome. Now, to its credit, the Van Eck application tries to address these issues by putting a hefty $200,000 price tag on the initial entry to join the club, thus scaring away a lot of retail investors. And they also add a layer of insurance to protect investors in the event that the coins are hacked or stolen. But this is not likely to satisfy the SEC. Now, does it really matter if we get a Bitcoin ETF or not? I think it really does matter. I think it matters a lot. This whole summer rally, just take a look at Bitcoin, going from 6,300 to 8,300 in a couple weeks. That was the middle of July. That was largely based on speculation that a Bitcoin ETF might be approved. No surprise, the recent top in Bitcoin was July 25th. That was the day before the SEC denied the Winklevoss application, and it's been down 8 of the last 10 trading days. And look at it, it's right back to where it was before all this speculation started. And Scott, the reason I think this is worrisome is that obviously Bitcoin doesn't have a lot of internal energy on its own, and it's depending upon new buyers coming in to move the price up. And that was the big hope behind the ETF that is, I still think, very doubtful right now.